Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kerry, and if you are new here, I focus on fashion and lifestyle. So if that is something that you love, stick around and enjoy the ride. Today I am going to be showing you ways to style a combat boot. Now the combat boots, it has been in for a while now, and trust me, it is not going anywhere. So even though we're moving out of the winter and going into the spring, the combat boot can still be incorporated in your closet. Now I've pulled some looks. All the looks are old. The looks are from my closet, but I just wanted to show you how I would style these combat boots. Now if you watch my very first haul that I did, I bought some stuff from ASOS, Shein, Boohoo. I bought this combat boots from ASOS, and that is the boots that I am gonna be showing you guys how to style. Now I've worn it a few times, and trust me, they're comfortable, they're not too heavy. Like I said in the video, I wanted a combat boots, but I did not want to spend like a ton of money on them because I know that I live in Florida and most of the times it is hot, but Florida has been acting up like real bad. I walked out this morning and it was cold. Why was it 65 degrees? Tomorrow it is gonna be, like when I post this video, it is gonna be, I think they said 45, 40. Why? Why Florida? Why is it? So, but these are great to transition into spring and even in summer, and seeing that the festival season is coming up as well, you can pair these with different looks. So I'm gonna be showing you ways to style the combat boots. Leave in the comments your favorite look or a look that you would style with the combat boots. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video when I post. Stick around. Looks coming up. hope you liked how I styled the combat boots. Also, let me know which one of those looks you will try, and don't forget to tell me how you would style the combat boots, because I would love to hear how you would do your thing. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Be good.